Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you are going to see how to deactivate Instagram account temporarily. So it's a pretty easy thing to do. Head over to your Instagram application first. Once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right corner and then tap on the three lines on the top right. And here go to account center. Now just go to the personal details section in the account settings, and in here go to account ownership and control. Now go to deactivation and deletion. Now select your Instagram account and here select to deactivate account. Now here it is saying that deactivating means that your profile will be hidden on Instagram until you reactivate it through account center or by logging into your Instagram account. So tap on continue. And here, all you need to do is just re-enter your Instagram password and tap on continue. And once you do that, your Instagram account will be disabled or deactivated temporarily. And yeah, this is how you can just do it. Hope this video helped you out and we'll see you in the next video.